Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this quick introduction video, we will see how we can use the new text webpart enhancement for the SharePoint online page. I'm going to call that page as taste. Then I can add a new section which is a one column section. And in this section, if you already have the section and the text webpart, that's okay. If you don't have it, you can add a new section and then add a new text web part by clicking on this plus icon. Right, so let me click on the plus icon and search for text web part. And as you can see, this is the out of the box text web part. Let me go and have some random text. So let me go and search for lorem ipsum generator and grab this dummy paragraph of lorem ipsum. Right, so the new enhancement which is available into the text web part is related to what I can say, this line spacing. So if I go and click on this is a line spacing enhancement which is by default set to 1.3. Okay, but let's say I want to make it 1.0. As you can see, the line spacing between the lines is changed. Let's say I want to make it 1.6 or 1.5. This is how it will behave. Okay, it is 2.4. Let me make it 2.0, or let me make it to 1.6. So this is how the line spacing will work. There are other enhancements also available into this particular text web part. Is this bulleted list. So when we add any bulleted list, it will have these three tiles: disk, circle or square, and the number list, where the number list is already same as the word application. The number list and bullet list are same as the word application. Okay, so let me go and try to create one bullet list. So as you can see, the default style is disk. Okay, but if I go and change it to circle, it changes like this, and if I make it as square, it also changed as a square bullet list. Okay, and for the number list, if I click onto this, it is converted to 1 2 3. There are different level of styles available for the list. Let's say alphanumeric number, roman numbers, roman small numbers, everything like that. Okay, and there is another option, and if I want to start this third point from 1, when I go and hit enter, the new list starts from 1. It is all same as the word application, how we use in the word, but now it's also available into the text web part into the SharePoint Online. Okay, and the other options are same as we have. This is one which I've already shown you, but another thing into this line spacing is if you want to add a space before or after the paragraph. So right now only one paragraph is there, so let me just go copy and paste the same one again. So now if I select it, there are more paragraphs, so it will say show two options: add space after and add space before. Okay, so as I selected add space after, and now I am adding add space before, so now every paragraph is having a space being added before the paragraph and also after the paragraph. Okay, so yeah, this is a very pretty neat and clean feature which I would say. And the other options are align left, right, center, justify the paragraph, or superscript or subscript of all the details. Like if you want to have the data stored as superscript or subscript, you can have it. And if you want to clear all the formatting, whichever we done for the paragraphs, you can click on this clear all formatting and it will be done. So all the formatting is been removed. This bullet list are done. Yeah, I think this is pretty it, and there are a lot of new things are being coming. And let me know if you want to have a detailed video on the all the available options into the text web, but I can make that video and upload to the site. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.